बहुत सारे पैसे लगाने पड़ते हैं,
True.
बहुत सालों के लिए लगाने पड़ते हैं.
Real estate is projected to grow by about 8 to 10 odd %. Somebody's
Exactly is REIT.
आपके behalf पे somebody else is investing in real estate.
ये REIT की वैल्यू ठीक है या नहीं है?
जो traditional things है may not be the best way to look at it.
How many of you can finish a box of pizza all by yourself? Most of the time हम mostly इसके कुछ slices ही खा पाते हैं, लेकिन अगर देखा जाए तो real estate investment भी पिज्जा बॉक्स के जैसे ही है. If you can't or don't want the entire thing, you can also have parts of it in the form of REITs. आज इस एपिसोड में हम बात करने वाले हैं REITs की. But before that, Jay, actually I wanted to speak with you about real estate industry इंडिया में. फिलहाल अगर मैं किसी इन्वेस्टर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर देखूँ रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री को, तो बहुत ही ऐसा लगता है कि यार ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जहाँ बहुत सारे पैसे लगाने पड़ते हैं, बहुत सालों के लिए लगाने पड़ते हैं, रिटर्न में उतना कुछ खास नहीं मिलता. बट इन योर आर्टिकल यू हैव मेंशन्ड कि ये इंडस्ट्री फिर भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉमिसिंग ग्रोथ एटलीस्ट प्रोजेक्शन वैसे ही है दिखा रही है. ऐसा क्यों और क्या है उसमें?
Right. So again, India is a growing country. तो real estate का support तो लगेगा ही, whether it is in the form of houses or commercial space. And if you think about it, as India grows, urbanization increases, people move towards city. As your office, your service infrastructure grows, so all of this is going to contribute towards real estate. So overall, real estate is projected to grow by about 8 to 10 odd % for the next few years. So I think by 2030 it should reach about $10 billion ka whole size as a whole. And within that there is commercial real estate which is expected to grow twice as fast. And the reason is because in growth in India is picking up. So sectors like your fintech, your e-commerce, etc., they need more office space. I mean, look at us.
Yes.
So because of all of that, commercial real estate is expected to grow much faster. And to your point कि यार investment काफ़ी सारा लगता है and return उतना नहीं मिलता. So yeah, earning returns is a bit of a specialization because market आपको समझना पड़ता है, etc. But all of these things in a way get addressed with a REIT जहाँ पे आपको investment उतना नहीं लगाना पड़ता.
Exactly is REIT. क्या है वो?
Right. So a REIT is real estate investment trust. Basically, it is like a mutual fund in a way that is investing in real estate, right? So they are pooling everybody's money. There is somebody who is who's professionally running the REIT and he or she is now putting money in real estate assets. So आपके behalf पे somebody else is investing in real estate, right? How does it help you? एक आपको पूरा प्रॉपर्टी खरीदना नहीं है. You can invest the minimum little share price जो है, by that much also you can put and invest. Somebody who is professionally doing it, they're good at it, it is their expertise is managing it, and most importantly, if you want to get out, you can get out at any time.
Okay, so Jay, you mentioned कि ये जो REITs हैं वो mostly mutual funds के जैसे ही operate करते हैं.
Correct.
बट हमें कैसे पता चलेगा एज एन इन्वेस्टर, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये REIT की वैल्यू ठीक है या नहीं है, ये ओवर वैल्यू तो नहीं है, अंडर वैल्यूड नहीं है? इज देयर एनी मेट्रिक दैट वी कैन यूज?
जो ट्रेडिशनल थिंग्स है may not be the best way to look at it, but there are some specific indicators to this industry. There's something called as funds flow from operations. Basically, after putting in the money, after realizing the rent, सारा खर्चा करने के बाद आपके पास नेट पैसा कितना बच रहा है, that is a measure that you can use. There is occupancy rate. If you've bought a building, right? Let's मान लीजिए today we are in this 40 floor building and only 20 floors are occupied, another 20 are not. Then I've put money, but on the balance 20 floors I'm not realizing any return because rent नहीं आ रहा. तो occupancy rate ऐसे है कि तो total property जो है उसमें occupancy कितना है, the higher the ratio the better it is. And finally there is what is the net asset value, NAV बोलते हैं उसको, जो आपको mutual funds में भी मिलता है. It is basically the value of all of this assets condensed and given to you as one number. आप NAV को share price के साथ compare कर सकते हैं, and that is also one of the things you can use to see whether आप premium या discount पे invest कर रहे हैं.
Okay, I'm kind of sold on the side.
Yeah, no, that got a little technical. Yeah.
No, but I want to know as an investor, what are the options I have when it comes to REITs in India?
Right.
Who are the key players and how they are performing?
Right, so there are 4 players as such, and उसमें से actually one player got listed last year only, April or May of 23 if memory serves. तो आपके पास 4 players के option है. What I think people should note is that all of these guys are commercial real estate guys. So unlike the West, India still does not have a residential real estate investment trust, so you have commercials only. And what to keep track of, I think, is the fact that look, they are linked to the underlying real estate. So as long as job growth is growing on, the economy is improving, all of these things, so real estate का demand उसके साथ बढ़ता रहेगा, and these guys will continue to do well. The day the economy starts to turn is where, so basically it is linked to the real estate cycle, and if you just have some sense of that, if you track that, you will be able to have some hold of the way your REIT is going to perform.
Okay, thank you so much, Jeff, for talking to us and speaking about REITs, a very, very good and viable options it seems. If you are interested in real estate investment, what do you think about this particular option? Tell us in the comments. और अगर आप Upstox Originals के और भी आर्टिकल्स पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन चेक कीजिए, जहाँ पर हमने लिंक दी हुई है. एंड प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करना ना भूलिएगा. जल्दी मिलते हैं नए वीडियो के साथ.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.